Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have this tutorial for you. As you can see, this is a Lacy pattern and almost back side and front side the same. You can use for any kind of project you like. Let's get started. For the pattern we need to have multiple of 3. What we have to do, we are going to start by make 3 chain, like 1 2 3, and we repeat based on the size you like. You are going to chain 3, I'm going to stop here. After you chain 3, you are going to make extra 1 chain, then goes back to the 4th chain, 1 2 3 4, insert your hook, and in each chain we are going to make 1 double crochet like that. Let me see what's happening here. We keep continue until the end of the row to make 1 double crochet in each chain like that. I already finished the first row. For row 2 we are going to chain 4, return the work, then when it comes to that part we are going to make triple crochet to the 3rd stitch. So 1 2, skip 1 2, the 3rd one we are going to make 1 triple crochet, then chain 1, and again is triple crochet again. It has to be now back to the chain into a stitch number 1, and you can take it at back side like this, and then make a triple crochet like this. We are going to repeat again by skip 2 stitches, 1 2, in the 3rd one we make 1 triple crochet, then chain 1, then the next triple crochet in the 1st stitch. Insert your hook here and take the 1st one like this. We are going to keep continue and repeat this one until the end of the row. Because the one we made here is set up row, now we are in row 2 or maybe row 1. I did it like that. I finished this row, but always make sure for the last part on the top of the chain also we are going to make 1 triple crochet as a edge like that. For row 3, 1 2 3, we are going to chain 3, return the work. This one consider as the edge. When it comes to this V shape, we are going to make 3 double crochet between these two like this. Then we repeat again, 3 double crochet, in each zigzag or maybe V shape we have. This pattern is gonna be repeat of these two rows. One row you are going to make a zigzag, the other row you are going to make 3 double crochet in each V shape or zigzag, like that. Let me finish this row. 1 2 3, and for the last one as an edge we are going to also make 1 double crochet on the top of the chain, like that. Now it's time to repeat like row 2. It means we are going to chain 4, return the work, then make a triple crochet. If you have these 3, insert the hook in the third one, make triple crochet, chain 1, then it's time to make another triple crochet. Insert the hook here, take the first one here as a first stitch, then make triple crochet, like that. Let's do it one more time. Now you have 3 stitches. Insert the hook on the top of the third one, chain 1, then you have to go back to stitch number 1, insert the hook here, take the chain on the top of the first one, and then make another triple crochet, like that. If you repeat row 2 and row 3, after a few rows the pattern should look like that. As you can see, this is really fast and easy to knit, and they can be used for summer top, scarf, or any other lacy project you like. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.